I mean, I've got to say this hotel is perfect. Yeah, it's a nice mix for us, like it's not sort of party central, you know, it's more sort of family, kind of cruisy. Beautiful pool, beautiful food, beautiful people. So absolutely happy as, living the dream, happy days.
Yeah, okay. I have a breakfast and put yeah.
Okay, we're just going back up to the hotel to meet our tour guide for tomorrow, who's going to take us to see some monkeys and some elephants and some temples and all the other cool stuff. And then we'll come back and
yeah, of course. Hello, how are you?
this is our friendly jewelry
My name
sales.
Oscar. Mandi.
Austral.
Mandi. Oscar.
Oscar.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Scott. My name's Scott.
Yeah, Scott.
This is Amelie.
Amelie, you
And,
doctor?
we're from New Zealand.
New Zealand,
Yeah.
okay, oh, like it, something like yeah. I have something, many stuff there.
Okay,
Yeah.
all good. All right. See you soon.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Hi.
Good.
Nice to meet you.
Yes.
Sorry, do you mind being on camera?
Okay.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Because
You know, yesterday.
Eka is going to organise our tour. Hopefully, we're going to be able to see some wildlife and some temples and. But anyway, we'll just take advice from Eka. Yep. Okay, here we are at the monkey forest. Monkeys. I've heard that monkeys like stealing glasses and cell phones and all sorts. I guess if I was a monkey, I'd probably be stealing stuff as well. How exciting is this? Monkeys. I mean, our ancient ancestors. That's a monkey there. There's a monkey there.
Not funny, Dad.
No.
It's funny. It is funny. Okay. That was so quick.
Look at the one with the baby. Is it alright to get close to the one with the baby?
Yes, okay, no problem. Just look.
Oot oot. Oot oot. Oot oot. Oot oot. Ah, very nice.
Excuse me, with the snake, different price. This price for the snake.
You tell me now. How much?
Yes, yeah, I have
70.
yes, with this bed, 60.
Oh,
Just different.
okay. Well, we're here now.
You're a brave boy.
Okay, good. Oh, with monkey also. Can you put some nut here and then monkey do it fly?
Oh, wow.
Very lucky.
Nice.
Okay, we're here at the elephant park, the Mason Elephant Park. So apparently they've got a baby elephant here, born about 3 months ago. So that's going to be interesting. Oh, hello! Here comes an elephant. Up close and personal with an elephant. Jeepers! Don't think I've been this close to an elephant. It looks like a happy environment for elephants. Yeah, it's not a zoo type. Well, it's kind of like a zoo, but certainly very spacious. Yeah, so happy days, I think. Happy days for the elephant. Oh, nice.
Woohoo!
Robusta coffee. Okay, so that's the fruit the animal eats, and then the coffee comes out of that when he poops. Nice. Then we have a spicy saffron plant. This is the poop animal. The animal eats the coffee bean and the process fermentation until 10 hours. Now before the process, we peel the skin first and we clean with hot and cold water before the roasting. And inside like this. Okay, so
There it is, the most expensive coffee.
this is before it's processed or anything. Before the process.
Oh, you're roasting the coffee?
Yeah.
Wow. So this is roasting the coffee?
Yeah.
Oh, look at him.
Yeah.
Okay, there you have it. Now we're going to try this famous, amazing coffee.
Okay, here we have this is a Bali coffee and that one luwak coffee. Do you want to smell it? This is the roasting.
Oh, he's very tame, isn't he? He's very happy. That's actually the poo.
Yes, the poop animal before we process like this.
Okay. Tastes like luwak coffee. Yum.